Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Breville BGR700BSS Sear and Press Grill. I've looked through the information available across the internet, and in this review, I'll tell you whether I think you should buy it or skip it. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of the biggest attractions is the flexibility. The Breville gives you three main cooking modes: panini, burger, and sear. These one-touch presets make it easier to get started without manually figuring out the ideal settings every time. The sear function is particularly interesting for anyone who enjoys steak, burgers, chicken, or seafood. The high heat plates are designed to create strong browning and those recognizable grill marks that can make indoor cooking feel much closer to an outdoor grill. But the real party trick is the open flat barbecue mode. Open the grill completely and you get a 240 square inch cooking surface. That gives you enough room to grill several foods at once. And it also turns the appliance into a griddle. You can cook burgers and steaks on one side, or switch things up with eggs, pancakes, seafood, or vegetables. Another feature that makes the Breville stand out is independent plate temperature control. You can control the temperature of the upper and lower plates separately, which is extremely useful when you're cooking different foods that require different heat levels. For example, you could have one side set higher for searing meat while keeping the other side at a lower temperature for something more delicate. That's much more flexible than a conventional contact grill, where both surfaces generally operate at the same temperature. The reversible ceramic grill and griddle plates add even more versatility. You can use the grill surfaces for searing or flip them over to create a flatter griddle surface. The ceramic nonstick coating is also PFOA and PTFE-free, which is appealing if you're trying to avoid those materials in your cookware. Cleanup is another strong point. The plates can be removed from the grill and placed in the dishwasher, while the removable drip tray catches grease and food residue during cooking. That matters with an indoor grill because nobody wants to spend longer cleaning than they did cooking. The plates measure about 9.8 by 11.8 inches. While the open flat configuration gives you that larger 240 square inch surface. So although this isn't a full-size outdoor barbecue, it provides a respectable cooking area for an indoor appliance. Breville also makes the grill compatible with optional waffle plates, sold separately. Those can turn the appliance into a waffle maker, giving you another use for the same countertop machine. There are a few things to keep in mind, though. This is an electric indoor grill, so it won't completely replace a large outdoor barbecue when you're cooking for a big crowd. And because the waffle plates are optional, you have to purchase those separately if that feature interests you. After looking through the information available online, I think the Breville Sear and Press Grill is particularly appealing for people who want one appliance capable of handling breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks without needing multiple countertop devices. Would I buy it? Based on what I found online, yes. The combination of high-heat searing, reversible plates, independent temperature control, open flat barbecue mode, automatic presets, and dishwasher-friendly components makes it a very versatile kitchen appliance. I would skip it if you already have a good outdoor grill and don't regularly cook indoors with countertop appliances. But if you're living somewhere where indoor grilling is more convenient, or you simply want an easy way to make burgers, steaks, paninis, pancakes, and grill vegetables, the Breville makes a lot of sense. My final verdict is buy if you want a premium indoor grill that gives you significantly more control and versatility than a basic panini press. The Breville BGR700BSS combines strong searing performance with practical everyday features, making it a great option for anyone who wants restaurant-style browning without leaving the kitchen.